For the love of money, nigga will slap the shit out of his. The fuck?
Eggs.
Ow! So you been spending a lot of time in the truck lately? That motherfucker almost to a steam. Huh? You laid that motherfucker, man? Take you on the motherfucking road, man. Did you? Man, we gotta be at that joint at 4 p.m. Do not forget, man. It's all on you.